Holy smokes. Woo. That's a low-end monster, man.
Yeah, it'll play down to 17.
Really? That's really music.
That one was 20.
Woo. Oh, it's a 6th order.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This looks good. Who built this?
Joel Walker.
Joel Walker. Oh, okay. Man.
It was actually built before Slam last year. We finished it.
Okay.
Slam. But it was his last.
This was like one of his actual like last finished builds.
Yeah.
Wow.
His last like completely finished build.
Wow. Looks good though, man.
Thank you, man.
Solid. You know the tuning specs on your enclosure?
It's 25 in the rear and 50 in the front.
50? Okay. What about power and all of that? Specs of the subs and everything?
I got 9 Onyx, Resilient Sound Onyx 12s.
Yep.
And I just have them right now on one Incriminator 80.1. I have a second one back there, but I gotta get repaired.
Okay. So what do you wire to on the 9 subs?
0.44.
0.4? Okay.
I rise to 1.2.
Did you?
So
Okay.
I'm clamping 86.
Yes, sir. Okay. Awesome.
Yeah, I'll play 17 real quick.
Okay.
If I can find it low enough. I don't want to keep playing the same song all the fucking time. But,
You find a good demo song and you demo it to 25 people and you know it plays well.
Play Goat Talk.
I don't want to, bro. It's always the same fucking one.
good, and you didn't even fall off at all. Wow, really musical.
It don't start falling off till right after 17.
17? Okay. Awesome. Appreciate the demo, man. What was your name again?
Sean.
Sean. Jacob. Thank you, Sean. Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.